guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be featuring Julia hair, and this is what the box looks like and the inside of the box before I open it up and show you all the way. So here's what the hair looks like. This is Malaysian hair, and these are all the bundles that I was sent to do this review and what I'm going to use to create the unit. So here's what the hair looks like out of the packaging. Ooh, it's so lush and curly. I love it already. The bundles are pretty freaking thick on this hair. And oh, I'm loving this hair. Check the description for the links again on the hair. Okay, so here is what the hair looks like right after I completed the unit on the hair. So this is the natural look of the hair if you was to just wear it upon completion of the unit. This hair is so full, and I actually had some hair left over on the hair. That is what the part looks like. I have not tweezed it. I don't think I'm going to tweeze the part because I like how natural it looks. It does really mimic a girl with natural hair. And I'm just showing you what she looks like right here. Those are the ends of the hair, which I'm going to trim just to give it a little bit more cleaner look. And I'm just going to pull out any leftover strands of hair, clumps of hair from me cutting the wefts when I created the unit. So I'm going to show you what the hair looks like as I pull it out. When you cut the wefts on the hair, you are going to get this kind of shedding, and I'll show you here in just a second what I pull away. But that's all I'm doing here is I'm just pulling out any excess strands and clumps of hair. But I'm also going to show you what the hair looks like sprayed down and wet, a little bit more tamed. The more you play in this hair, the bigger the hair will get, which is the look that I like personally, a more untamed natural girl look. So I'm just showing you that here. Look how big it is. Oh my God, I am in love with this hair. This is right up my alley, honey. Okay, so here's what the hair looks like. Wet. I just sprayed it down with a spray bottle and brushed it with a paddle brush while it was wet. And I'm just showing you how pretty this hair is. I am in love. This hair is so thick, and I'll show you how much hair I had left over in the next clip. So pretty. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to tweeze the part. I like how natural the hair looks. I'm loving it. She's so silly. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be featuring Julia hair. I'll put it across the screen right there for you. And I'm not sure of the actual curl pattern. Like, I don't know if this is kinky. I don't know if it's like deep wave curl, whatever. But it'll be linked down below in case you're interested in this hair. I have a full bundle of this hair left over from the install. But look how full and big the hair is actually. Okay, get in there, honey. I am loving this hair because, one, it does emulate the kinky natural girl hair, okay? So I'm loving that about this hair. The part has not been tweezed out on here. There's not a whole lot styling I can do with this hair other than really how I'm wearing it right now. Because, one, the closure is just a closure, so it's not like a full ear-to-ear frontal. So parting, I mean, you know, I'm going to be limited with either a side part, left or right, or a middle part like I have here. Which I actually like this look on this particular hair. And like I said, look how big and lush the hair is. And like I said, I still have that one bundle left over. So I'm actually loving this hair. Good winter, fall-esque type of hairstyle, quick throw on and go. You could wet it the night before if you know you want to wear the unit like the following day. You know what I mean? And you don't want to go out with it wet, like on you, because it's still wet right now, like damp on my shirt. But you can wet it on a mannequin head the night before and then, you know, let it dry overnight and then put it on that way. The more you play in this hair, as you saw in one of the last clips, I believe, the bigger the hair will get. The kinkier, the more natural, big fro-ish type of hair it'll get, but it'll still maintain some of the curl pattern. Okay? And I did, when I wet this hair, I just used a spray bottle, no product whatsoever, sprayed the hair down, and then used a paddle brush to brush through and separate the hair and get any loose ends left in the hair from where I cut the wefts to create the unit. So that's all I done. And this is probably how I will actually wear the hair, so it won't be pulled back or anything like that, even though, I mean, you could, like, pull it off your face like that. Look how big that pony is. This hair is so thick. If I had to guess what this density is of the unit I created, I would say about a 180 to 200 density. That's how thick this hair is, with minus the one bundle. But then too, I have a small head too, so. But if you're interested, check the links down below for any sales, promotion, any other types of hair they may have on the site, as well down below. To be down there in the description bar below. And that's really all I have. Is it Sharon approved? For sure. Look how pretty that is. And you could always do use some baby hairs, like, you know, in the front if you enter the whole baby hair situation and whatnot. Okay? Okay. So that's all I have for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this short video. It's not a whole lot, like I said, I can say about the hair, other than what I've told you. And there's no whole bunch of options for styling it, because, again, it just has a little closure on it. And that's it. But I'm loving it, and you will see it in upcoming vlog chit chat videos. Don't forget, check down below in the description bar in case you're interested in use some fall winter curls that be popping and be doing the most, because I feel like I'm getting my whole life right now. Okay, and I'm about to head out the house, so I'm gonna wear this unit out just as it is, because she's raring to go. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.